Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Susha's Artworks. Here I'm back again with a new video, and in today's video I'll be sharing how to make a planter using biryani clay pot. Let's begin. I have taken a biryani clay pot, I have cleaned it thoroughly, and now I'll apply white paint to give a white background. The white paint which I have applied on this pot is dried now. So now I'll add a color to this. I am adding green color to give a nice green background to this pot. Now my background is ready, so I am adding few flowers to this. Now let's add some brown color to give a natural tint to these flowers. I'm adding this white again so that it will get mixed with this brown color and it will give a natural look to these flowers. Now let's add some leaves to complete this floral look. Now I'm adding some golden to give it the final touch. When pot is ready, why to leave the rim? Let's paint this golden as well. So finally our pot is ready. What's next? Now it's time to grow some plant in this pot. Now some water. And yes, our pot has reached its final destination. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section. Do like and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.